pronounce it? La Ferre Cafe. Yeah. French bakery to. Yeah. I ordered waffle platter, dalgona coffee. Ate got
Fried chicken batter.
and also dalgona coffee. Hello guys, I'm in downtown. I ordered Korean hot dogs. Meeting with my brother, charot. Ordered beef salad rolls. Kuya ordered pho. But before anything else, taste test natin tong Korean hot dogs. Wow. So good. Of course, it's raining here again. I want to go to my favorite cafe here in downtown Vancouver. Wait, hiningal ako. I'm going to Brecca Cafe to get a white chocolate siguro. Can I get a white hot chocolate? Medium? Get a to-go cup. Thank you. And it's full inside, so I just sat outside enjoying my white hot chocolate. Good morning everyone. I'm here in Gastown. Hanap ako ng breakfast, hindi pa ako kumain. So, let's go. So here's my breakfast. I just ordered simple breakfast. I forgot the name. Pero hindi mo na ako order ng drink kasi I want to go in a cafe mamaya. And I also got a tiramisu dessert. Try ko na agad. Excited ako. So here's what I ordered here at Go On Cafe. I got almond croissant. Ito talaga ang sarap nito. And of course, matcha latte. The reason why kaya matcha latte yung in-order ko kasi kapag kasi nagkape na naman ako, ayun, sasakit din yung tiyan ko tapos hindi ako makakatulog. Or ewan ko, basta. Sometimes ayaw talaga ng tiyan ko sa coffee. Ayaw talaga ng tiyan ko sa coffee, kaya ito na lang muna matcha. That's it for my food trip this new year, and I hope you enjoyed. And by the way, I will also be inserting clips from our trip last month with my friends during reading break, and also in June from all the places we've been to or any food places.
Hi.
Hello.
COVID free.
Yeah, I know, right? We're COVID free. Bye. It's all you can ko eh. Mapapakain kami ng madami. Let's eat! We ordered ramen. Hi! Kanina rin na? Ganda?
Good. Nagustuhan mo ba yung mga pictures ko sa ito? Ito yung Olympic thing 2010 I think. Hello.
Sa dalamdam na? Hindi ka natakot sa sigal?
Na. Let's go.
Yes. I like black. We ordered sinigang, sisig, kare-kare.
Rate.
No.
Rate.
9 out of 10.
9 out of
9 out
10.
of 1 kasi matamis na siya.
Ayun na nga guys, tapos na kaming kumain ng kapatid ko. So the food is good. Super.
Yes.
Super good. Delicious. You know. So, you good?
Yeah. Mapagod.
Pagod. We're looking for the dessert. Dessert naman.
Dessert.
Magdi-dessert naman kami.
Korean dessert. Gusto kong bumili kasi ang mahal. 30. Can't afford it. Sea salt caramel. She got the bubble gum. Ano sa'yo? Chocolate?
Punching bag.